Good day everyone, especially to you sir. So for today I am going to discuss what is standardized test scoring all about. So for that, kindly pick some pieces of paper in your desk and put it in the trash so that you can very listen carefully to me. So I hope that all of you are doing well today. Properly Just sit down properly, watch and listen so that you will understand my topic. So, standardized test scoring. Standardized test scoring, it refers to the process of evaluating and assigning scores to students' responses on standardized tests. So, next is test standardization. Is a process by which teacher or researcher made tests are validated and item analyzed. After a thorough process of validation, the test characteristics are established. So this means that the type of test that was made by a teacher and each item in this kind of test undergoes a third process of validation, in which in doing this kind of test you should have to follow some characteristics such as validity of the test, reliability, and test difficulty. Each standardized test uses its own mathematical scoring system derived by the publisher and administrators, and these do not bear any relationship to academic grading systems. So standardized tests are psychometric instruments whose scoring systems are developed by norming the test using national samples of test takers, centering the scoring formula to assure that the likely score distribution describes a normal curve when graphed, and then using system uniformly in a manner resembling a criterion reference approach. So, standardized tests do not need to be a high-stakes test, time-limited test, multiple-choice test, academic test, or test given to large numbers of test takers. So, if you are interested in understanding and interpreting a proring system of specific standardized tests, refer to the fallacies of the test procedures that will be discussed by Miss Arlene Vitter. So, this is the end of my assigned topic. Thank you for listening.